What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight and change the bulbs from a Dodge Ram. This is a 2020 Ram Classic here, but it will be the same on quite a few different years. So the first thing we need to do is open the tailgate, and there's two Torx screws that we need to remove. And they're a number 25 Torx, a T25. I have them on a drill here, or you can do them by hand. Once you get those two screws out of there, this is kind of loose in there, but it's just sitting on some clips. So you just want to get a hold of it and pull it straight back, like that. Then once we get that off, we have our two different light sockets here. This bottom one, the reverse light, to get that out, you're going to turn that about a quarter of a turn to your left or counterclockwise. And that's going to come out like that. And then to get the bulb out, you'll just pull it straight out like that. So you have your new one, push it in. Whenever you're handling these bulbs, I always recommend giving them a good wipe down after you touch them, just to get the dirt and oil from your fingers off. Okay, so then to put it back in, we'll put it in here and spin it a quarter of a turn to our right. Quarter of a turn to the right to tighten it. This one up here will be the same thing to get out. Quarter of a turn to the left, out. This bulb will pull straight out. Push your new one straight in. And then about a quarter of a turn to the right to get it locked into place. To reinstall the assembly, we need to line up two clips on this side. We need to line up here and here with here and here. Once you get those lined up, you can just give it a little bit of a hit like that to lock it into place. And then we need to reinstall those two T20 screws. Here. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.